Good evening and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Sareen and you're watching the Reality Rundown where we bring you the top headlines of the day. Have a look.
In a shocking turn of events, the much-anticipated Bihu function in Tarapur on the outskirts of Guwahati turned into a scene of chaos and despair as the pandal collapsed during preparations for Assam's heartthrob Jubin Garg's performance. The incident occurred amid stormy winds, catching the audience off guard. Eyewitnesses reported that the pandal collapsed while instrumentalists were setting up musical instruments on stage, causing an uproar among the crowd. Emergency services were swiftly dispatched to the scene to rescue those trapped. In a bid to bolster voter engagement ahead of the third phase of Lok Sabha polls in Assam, the Kamrup Metro District Election Department organized a cycle rally as part of the Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation Initiative. The rally aimed to raise awareness among voters about the significance of exercising their democratic right to vote. Cyclists traversed through various constituencies across Guwahati, where polls are scheduled for the third and final phase of the Assam Lok Sabha constituency. Assam Minister and BJP leader Ranjit Kumar Das confidently stated that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP have secured a place in the hearts of Indian citizens. He further suggested that the Congress party is currently in a less favorable position, thus predicted an increase in seats for the BJP in the future, while anticipating a decrease for the Congress party. He went as far as to suggest that the Congress party may secure less than 50 seats. Arvinder Singh Lovely, the president of Delhi Congress, tendered his resignation from his post on Sunday, citing disagreement over the party's decision to form an alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party for the Delhi Assembly elections. In his resignation letter, he said the Delhi Congress unit was against an alliance with a party which was formed on the sole basis of levelling false, fabricated and malified corruption charges against the Congress party. Despite that, the party made a decision to ally with the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. The Mumbai police has arrested actor Sahil Khan for his alleged involvement in the Mahadev betting app case. Sahil Khan was arrested in Chhattisgarh by the Special Investigation Team of Mumbai Police Cyber Cell after the Bombay High Court rejected his petition for interim bail. Mr. Khan, sources say, had fled Mumbai and was on the run after his plea was rejected by the High Court. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday attacked Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for allegedly insulting Hindu kings but keeping mum and atrocities committed by Muslim rulers like Aurangzeb. In a setback to the opposition amid Lok Sabha polls, several Samajwadi Party leaders joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in Lucknow on Sunday. Former Samajwadi Party MLA and several other leaders, including Balram Yadav and Jagat Jaiswal, joined the BJP in the presence of the Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak. Aam Aadmi Party on Sunday held a walkathon named Walk for Kejriwal in support of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who is in jail in connection with the Delhi excise policy case. The campaign cum walkathon was organized in Delhi's Sia Park. Aam Aadmi Party leader and Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh has raised concerns about the tactics being used by the Modi government against opposition parties and its impact on democracy and national strength, including the freezing of Congress accounts and the use of central agencies against the opposition parties. Singh questioned the impact of putting political leaders like Hemant Soren, Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and Satyendra Jain behind bars. He wondered if this kind of politics will move the country forward or strengthen democracy. Days after the Central Bureau of Investigation recovered a huge amount of arms and ammunition in Sandesh Khali, Bharatiya Janata Party National President JP Nadda on Sunday voiced concern over the anarchy caused by the Trinamool Congress government in West Bengal led by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. He, in a strong criticism, said that Banerjee's government is fostering an environment of lawlessness and endangering the safety of women.